Lesson: Establishing AI governance frameworks. Establishing effective AI governance frameworks is an essential component of AI governance and risk management, crucial for organizations aiming to leverage artificial intelligence responsibly and ethically. This lesson will explore actionable insights and practical tools for developing robust AI governance frameworks, emphasizing step-by-step applications that professionals can implement directly. The goal is to enhance proficiency in addressing real-world challenges associated with AI deployment. AI governance frameworks are structured approaches that guide organizations in managing AI-related risks, ensuring compliance with regulations, and aligning AI deployments with ethical standards. These frameworks serve as blueprints for accountability and transparency, enabling organizations to mitigate potential negative impacts of AI systems while maximizing their benefits. A key aspect of establishing AI governance frameworks is identifying and understanding the specific risks associated with AI technologies, which can include bias, privacy violations, lack of transparency, and security vulnerabilities. One practical tool for developing AI governance frameworks is the AI Risk Management Framework, proposed by the National Institute of Standards and Technology. The AIRMF provides a comprehensive approach to managing AI risks by identifying, assessing, and mitigating these risks throughout the AI lifecycle. The framework encourages organizations to adopt a risk-based approach, which involves continuously evaluating AI systems for potential risks and implementing controls to address these risks. For example, organizations can use the AIRMF to assess the risk of algorithmic bias in their AI models by analyzing training data for potential biases and implementing fairness constraints in model development. Another essential framework is the Ethical AI Framework, which emphasizes the ethical considerations in AI deployment. This framework guides organizations in aligning their AI systems with ethical principles such as fairness, accountability, and transparency. Organizations can apply this framework by conducting ethical impact assessments before deploying AI systems, ensuring that AI technologies do not perpetuate discrimination or harm vulnerable populations. For instance, a case study involving a large tech company revealed that implementing an ethical AI framework led to more transparent AI systems, as the company developed explainable AI models that provided users with clear insights into decision-making processes. In addition to frameworks, practical tools such as AI auditing and monitoring systems are vital for establishing AI governance. AI auditing involves evaluating AI systems for compliance with governance frameworks and identifying areas for improvement. A notable example is the use of AI auditing tools in the financial sector, where institutions audit AI-driven trading algorithms to ensure compliance with regulatory standards and minimize the risk of financial misconduct. AI monitoring systems, on the other hand, provide real-time oversight of AI systems, enabling organizations to detect and address anomalies or deviations from expected behavior. These tools are particularly valuable in dynamic environments where AI systems continuously learn and adapt. Step-by-step applications of AI governance frameworks involve several stages, beginning with stakeholder engagement. Engaging key stakeholders, including data scientists, ethicists, legal experts, and business leaders, ensures that diverse perspectives are considered in the governance process. This collaborative approach facilitates the identification of relevant risks and the development of comprehensive governance policies. A practical example is the creation of cross-functional AI governance committees within organizations, which bring together stakeholders from different departments to align AI initiatives with organizational values and objectives. Following stakeholder engagement, organizations should conduct a thorough risk assessment to identify potential risks associated with AI systems. Tools such as risk matrices and impact assessments can aid in this process by categorizing risks based on their likelihood and potential impact. For instance, a healthcare organization deploying AI for patient diagnosis might use risk matrices to evaluate the risk of misdiagnosis and implement strict validation protocols to mitigate this risk. Once risks are identified, organizations can develop and implement risk mitigation strategies, such as bias mitigation techniques, data privacy controls, and security measures. Continuous monitoring and evaluation are critical components of AI governance frameworks, enabling organizations to adapt to evolving risks and regulatory requirements. This involves establishing feedback loops to gather insights from AI system users and stakeholders, as well as conducting regular audits to ensure compliance with governance policies. For example, a transportation company using AI for autonomous vehicle navigation might implement continuous monitoring systems to collect data on vehicle performance and user feedback, allowing for timely adjustments to improve safety and reliability. To illustrate the effectiveness of AI governance frameworks, consider the case of a multinational corporation that successfully implemented a comprehensive AI governance framework across its operations. By adopting the AI RMF and ethical AI framework, the company mitigated risks related to algorithmic bias, improved transparency, and enhanced compliance with international regulations. As a result, the company experienced increased trust from customers and stakeholders, demonstrating the value of robust AI governance in achieving business success. In conclusion, establishing AI governance frameworks is a critical aspect of AI governance and risk management, providing organizations with structured approaches to manage AI-related risks and ensure ethical and responsible AI deployment. By leveraging practical tools such as the AI RMF and ethical AI framework, as well as implementing AI auditing and monitoring systems, organizations can address real-world challenges and enhance their proficiency in AI governance. Through stakeholder engagement, risk assessment, and continuous monitoring, organizations can develop and implement effective AI governance frameworks that align with their values and objectives, ultimately fostering trust and confidence in AI technologies.